was still a man who grew up in the projects, always committing sin, seeing thugs and hustlers collecting the money, and that's how it's always been. Always the soul and the law. It didn't matter for them, for they were in for the long haul. It didn't matter if they fell down, broken arm, broken skull. They just wanted to grow up to be the new main boss. But after the night, they ended up dead every day, whether they were shot in the head or strangled in bed, where they will be bleeding eternally red. That's how it was in the projects of Boyle Heights. Hustling drugs and starting up cold fights. They were dumb as cockroaches, but brave as black knights. And this man happened to be one of them. Didn't believe the state will be like the rest of them. But those who know the history about it repeat it, wasn't smart enough to see it. All the betrayal and blood he spilled will make them come back and collect his bill. He got what he wanted, money and power. At the cause of murder and the violence made his blood sour. And sure enough, his last hour was coming. He was shot in the bed, bleeding eternally red. Kowalik came back to make sure he was dead, backstabbed with his friend. And sure enough, he too will be bleeding eternally red. This karma has no end.
No.
That's not funny.
That's my second.
First place.
Alright.
Yeah.